Hi everybody, Paul here. Today I want to show you how to replace a tethered gas cap. After 12 years this tether broke. Unfortunately you cannot purchase just the tether, so you have to purchase a whole new gas cap. This happens to be a 2006 Toyota Camry, but what I'm going to show you should apply to most vehicles. This is pretty straightforward. However, when you go to remove the tether, it's not going to spin out clockwise or counterclockwise. It doesn't work that way. Instead, you have to pull the tether out using some force. My personal experience and recommendation is do not try to pull it out using just your hands because it's in very tight and you will not be able to get it out. Plus, if you have any sharp edges like I do here or here, you could seriously cut your hand if you slipped. What you want to do is get a pair of pliers, grip the tether right at the base with the pliers, twist the pliers with some force, and it'll come out. This is by far the easiest way to get it out. Let me show you. Now take your new gas cap and firmly push the tether in until it stops. Install the gas cap and you're done. Always make sure you turn the gas cap until it clicks. Otherwise the system won't pressurize and your check engine light will turn on. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.